How to fix Bumble dating app glitch problem. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you can try to quit Bumble app and all the apps running in the background and further go ahead and reinstall the app from your device and see if that fixes your issue. This often resets any bad app data. If not, launch the Settings application and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and navigate to Bumble app and tap on it and then tap on the Offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again as this will clear the cache in the application. Now, if that does not fix your issue too, then go ahead and log out of your Bumble account and then sign back in using a different method, example, your phone number or your Facebook account or any other account. Or you can also try logging in from another device, and this helps pinpoint if device specific. Also, make sure you are using a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between networks. That is, if you are using Wi Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi Fi. And if that does not fix your issue too, then you can try to check the Bumble app status and see if the status is down or not. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Bumble dating app glitch problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.